bone is called what? Hip bone. Okay? How many joints are present in the hip bone? We said that before. Three joints. The first joint here between the right and the left hip bones. It's called what? Symphysis pubis. It is a joint in the middle of the body. So it is secondary cartilaginous joint. The second joint is here between the sacrum and the hip bone on each side. So we have joint here and joint here. It's called what? Not iliosacral, sacroiliac joint. It's called what? Sacroiliac joint, and it is plain synovial. The third one is here between the head of femur and the acetabulum. It's called what? Hip joint, and it is wall and socket synovial. So in the hip bone, I may put a mark here, and I will ask you, identify symphysis pubis. Mention the type of this joint. Secondary cartilaginous joint. Here, identify acetabulum. Mention structure related to this area, head of femur. Mention the name of the joint here, hip joint. Mention the type of the joint here, wall and socket synovial joint. The second mark may be put here. This is the iliac bone, as we said before. In the back of the iliac bone, we have a rough area. I may put a mark here in the rough area. I will ask you, mention structure of bone articulated. It is the sacrum. Mention the name of the joint, sacroiliac joint. Mention the type of the joint, plain synovial. Okay, is it easy? How can we differentiate right from left? Okay, we mentioned before. You didn't attend the lecture.
ما بيبي هنا بالحين مثل ذولي عدتن كلها.
Okay.
عشان بالتصوير يكون
Okay. This depression is called what? Depression, like 7 in Arabic. It's called greater sciatic notch. Greater sciatic notch. By my hand, I will make a depression like this. This is a depression in my hand. I will separate my thumb from other fingers. I will put this depression inside this depression. But we must put this on this while the iliac crest is above. Not like this. Not the iliac crest is below. Iliac crest is above, and this depression inside this depression. After that, I will try to wrap my fingers around the bone to cover the acetabulum. If the acetabulum is covered completely like this, and this is my right hand, so it is the right bone. If I start by the left hand, for example, I start by the left hand like this. This is the depression. This is the iliac crest above. I put it like this. I rub my fingers. Look here. I can't hide. Anatomically, there is no one to get out. Okay, so it is not completely covered. Completely covered means it's hidden. I can see it. But here I can see part of it. So it is by left hand. Don't cover, so it is that right. Okay?
دكتور ربط جريت سياتك
Greater sciatic notch in Arabic.
لازم تفرق سمعت بيعرف الفورمه بعدين بس كان صح؟
You mean this greater sciatic notch? Okay, it's closed after that form.
الفورمه هذا اللي معناه
تحفظ الحاجات اللي معديه فيه. يا شباب وهي خلاص السيارة جت فخلاص يعني ما سيبناش. اهدوا الصوت عشان نكمل، تمام؟ You may know that greater sciatic foramen and structures passing in it were related to it by reformous tendon, muscle, with superior and inferior nerve vessels passing above it. Okay? After that we have this bone, which is the femur. It forms two joints. Is it true? What is the joint here? Hip. What is the joint here? Knee joint. Okay. What is the joint here?